congratulations on your bonus. I'm also going to be getting a bonus pretty soon, and I wanted to make a video about what you can do with your bonus, because it's probably a nice chunk of money and it can make a significant impact on your financial situation. For me personally, my bonus is like 5-6 paychecks, and it's a lot of money at once. This video is going to be quick. If you watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm the king of quickies. Wait, just a second. No. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you guys. You may not like my suggestions, but stick until the end because it can really change your financial situation. And I'm going to guess that you and I had the same first thought about the bonus, and that was, what new shiny thing can I buy? And buy something you will, but not in a traditional way. I'm going to suggest you buy things that will be good for your confidence, will be good for your mental health, and will be good for your future. Sure, a new laptop will make you feel good for a few weeks, but what I'm going to suggest is going to make you feel good for a much longer time, and it will put you in a position to buy way more laptops if you wanted to. So if you're getting a bonus, you may want to do these 3 steps in order, and the first one is to build a starter emergency fund. Now, what is a starter emergency fund, you may ask? Well, it's just money that you set aside for small emergencies. Later in this video, I'll talk about where you'll want to get this starter emergency fund to, but for now, you just want it to be able to cover any small emergencies. Some people recommend $1,000. Other people recommend enough to cover deductibles. You decide, but pick a number and then don't stop until you reach that number. Personally, I would recommend you have it in a savings account, just somewhere you would have quick and easy access to it if you needed it. Whatever you do though, don't invest this money. Now, the second step is to pay off any high interest debt, and that would be debt with an interest rate of like 5% or higher. Now, you really want to attack this debt because it's really expensive to keep around. Like, imagine you had your wallet and you put money into it and the money fell out because it had a hole at the bottom. Like, somebody's getting that money, but it's not you. So take care of that high interest debt. Again, it's draining your wallet. And also, if you have a hole in your actual wallet, you might want to get that replaced. Not an ad, but I recently got the Rich wallet. I don't have it on me. Why would I? But yeah, it's a pretty cool wallet. Okay, so if you still have money left over after those first 2 steps, then the next step is going to be to get that starter emergency fund to an emergency fund that will cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Now, this assumes that you've paid off the high interest debt and that there's no other debt that you want to attack. So that starter emergency fund I talked about in step 1, you'll want to build that to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. In order to do this, you need to know how much you spend in a month, which if you don't already, it's really important to know. So those are the 3 steps I recommend you do in order if you get a bonus. And the best part about doing these 3 things before going and buying something shiny that you'll probably get over in a few weeks is that the next paycheck and the paycheck after that and many more paychecks, it's kind of like you're getting a raise. So remember in step 2 where you paid off that high interest debt? Well, now you get to keep more of that money for yourself. If you do the 3 things I talked about in this video, you could really change your life financially. Let me know what you guys thought. Let me know what you actually end up using your bonus on. Let me know what you think of this shirt. I got it for like $4 at Burlington. If this video was helpful, I've got others that you can check out if you want to. If not, I guess that's okay. I'll be okay. Thanks.